Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker chicken in wine sauce. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my pressure cooker and I have a tablespoon of butter in here. It's set on saute and I'm melting down a tablespoon of butter. Now I have 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, so I'm going to get them in there and I'm going to saute them in there for a few minutes until they start to soften up and absorb some of that good butter flavor. Okay, now that my mushrooms are done sauteing, I pull them out and set them aside. I'm going to season up some chicken breast here. I also use chicken thighs or legs, so I'm going to start by putting some pepper on it. And I have to loosen up my grinder a little bit. My salt grinder broke, so I swapped it out with my pepper grinder so that I have new ones coming in the mail. And the salt one's set a little finer. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Some paprika. I'm going to turn this over and season the other side. Okay, now that I have my chicken all seasoned, I'm going to take some flour and I'm going to lightly coat my chicken on both sides. And I'm going to add a little more butter into the pressure cooker set on saute. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fry this chicken up. I'm going to do it probably in like 2 batches because I don't want to crowd the pressure cooker and the roll won't fit in there anyways. So I'm going to flour the other side. I'm going to get it in the pressure cooker, get it browned up. Once it's all browned up, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, now that my chicken's all browned up, I'm going to pull that out for just now. Dexter's awake. Don't get mad at me, Dexter. Because I'm making chicken. Now I'm going to add in a half a cup of chicken broth. I'm also going to add in a half a cup of white wine. And I have to start another bottle here. Be patient with me, guys. And I'm just going to give this a little scrape to deglaze it. You don't have to worry so much with a non-stick pot as you do with a stainless steel. Just getting some of the flavor up. Now I'm going to add my chicken back in. And guys, you can see how good that chicken's looking, but it's raw in the middle. That's why we have the pressure cooker. We just browned it. So let me go ahead and get all my chicken in here. And these are some gargantuan pieces of chicken. If I would have realized it was this big, I wouldn't have thawed so much chicken out. And I'm putting my bigger pieces towards the bottom of the pot. Yeah, Dexter, we're having roast beef. Roast beef, Dexter. Okay, now that I have my chicken down in the pot, I'm going to go ahead and get those mushrooms back in that we sauteed in the beginning of the video. And when I serve Eric's plate, he's at work right now, but when he gets home, when I serve his plate, I'm going to have to be sneaky and get the mushrooms out of it, but he won't eat it. I have about 3 green onions here I sliced up. We're going to get that in there. Now I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to allow it to do a natural release of pressure for 10 minutes. Then after that Dexter! I'm going to allow it to do a natural release of pressure, and after the 10 minutes are up, I'll do a manual release of the rest of the pressure. Alright guys, my chicken's done. I just released the rest of that pressure manually. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some chicken stuffing with chicken gravy on it. Dexter's really hate me to go with this chicken. Let me get him to try this. Chicken's really moist, tender. We can taste the seasoning that was on the chicken. It picked up that wine flavor. That's really delicious, guys. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker chicken and wine sauce. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see you.